If you have sort of a generic email that you want to go out regularly to somebody, but you would like to manually sort of send it out so you're in control of the time that it goes out, this is how you would do it. So we would go to new email campaign, and it would be an email sequence because we're looking for an if then. So we're going to choose this as our test email. And I'm just going to use the classic editor for this example, which is just a plain text email. And I want to go out immediately. So I'm going to choose day 0. Remember, day 0 is immediately in Kajabi. Day 1 is 24 hours later. So we'll just put subject line, body. Say I've got the email here. I love it. And I would like to send it out to someone, just one person at a time, like I just had a chat with them. And I want to send them this email that I send to everybody, but I want it to go at the time that I want it to go out. So it's all in here. And now I just go up to the trigger area. And I'm going to add a trigger that says when a tag is added, and I'm going to make up this tag. It's called this tag. Create, save. So I just had the chat with somebody, and I want them to receive this generic email that I send out. And I want it to go out right now. I don't want to send it from my personal email. I want it to come from Kajabi. So next I'm going to go to the contact area where that person is located. So I'm going to click on their name, then open full profile. And here we are. And I'm just going to roll over to the tags area. And I'm going to say this tag. That's what I tagged over there. So now that they just received this tag, this email, because this email is set to go out whenever this tag is added, now that I added the tag that says this tag, it's going to go out now. And actually probably take about 10 minutes or so to go out. So it's not exactly immediately, but pretty soon thereafter. So when I reload this, you should see it that they just received that email.